Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into how to install and watch Disney Plus on your FireStick. Whether you're a Disney fan or looking to catch up on your favorite shows, we've got you covered. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, make sure your FireStick is connected to your TV and turned on. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. Step 2. Accessing the Amazon App Store. First, navigate to the home screen of your FireStick. Go to the top menu and select Search. Type in Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard and select it from the suggestions. Step 3. Installing Disney Plus. Once you've found the Disney Plus app, click on Download to start the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your FireStick. This usually takes a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Launching Disney Plus. After installation, click on Open to launch the Disney Plus app. Step 5. Logging in. If you already have a Disney Plus account, enter your login credentials, email, and password, and click on Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app. Step 6. Browsing and watching content. Once logged in, you can browse through Disney's extensive library of movies and TV shows. Use the search bar to find specific titles or explore curated collections. Step 7. Tips for smooth streaming. For smooth streaming, ensure your FireStick firmware is up to date. You can check for updates in the settings menu. Consider using a VPN to enhance security and bypass geo restrictions if you're traveling. Conclusion. That wraps up our guide on how to install and watch Disney Plus on your FireStick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.